I bet you didn't know that any number can be written as something times 10 to the power of something. This is standard form, something that comes in very handy when writing very big or very small numbers. So what is standard form? If you recall, moving one place value column to the left increases the power on the 10 by 1, which means multiplying by 10. Therefore, if you wanted to move 2 places to the left, instead of writing times 100, you could write it as times 10 to the power of 2. Similarly, 5 places to the left would be times 10 to the power of 5, or 20 places would be times 10 to the power of 20. But what does this have to do with anything? Let's say you wanted to write 8 million. What would happen if you move the largest value in the number to the ones column like so? 8 million is 6 places to the left of this digit 8, which means that we times 8 by 10 to the power of 6. Therefore, you can write 8 million as 8 times 10 to the power of 6, because 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have more than one non-zero digit, remember, standard form numbers always follow this format. Something times 10 to the power of something. The highest value digit must always be in the ones column to standardise the numbers. Can you try writing 7,500 in standard form? Pause the video if you want to work this out. So first thing that you need to do is compare the number with the number written in standard form format. The standard form format is the biggest digit in the ones column, and then the rest is decimals. You need to count the number of places moved. So this 7 has moved 1, 2, 3 places. In this case, you're moving 3 places to the left. Lastly, you need to write it in standard form. 7,500 is the same as 7.5 times 10 to the power of 3. And the index is 3 because you moved 3 places. What about decimals? These work in exactly the same way, only the power is negative. I will explain this properly in a later video, but for now, you need to know that a negative index means divide. So move to the right by the number of places shown. So can you write 0.00058 in standard form? Pause the video if you want to work this out. So it's exactly the same as before. You compare the number, so 0.00058, with the number written in standard form format, 5.8. So you need to count the number of places moved. In this case, let's start with the smallest digit because it's closer to the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It has moved 4 places to the right. And lastly, you write this in standard form. So 0.00058 is the same as 5.8 times 10 to the minus 4. So the index is negative because we're moving to the right, not left. So we're getting smaller or dividing. And it's a 4 because we're moving 4 places. Now, can you write this number, 2.3 times 10 to the minus 2, in ordinary form? Pause the video if you want to work this out. So for this question, you're going to need to work backwards. So we start with a question mark. It's the same as 2.3 times 10 to the power of minus 2. We know from before that if it's a minus, we're moving to the right, and if it's 2, we're moving 2 places. So let's write the 2.3 down here and draw our arrows. We know we're going to the right, so it's this direction, and we know we're going 2 places. So we move the 3, 1, 2 places, and you write it up here. So you've got to follow the arrows and fill in the numbers. The 2 moves 1, 2 to the right, and then we've got to fill in the rest of the columns. So 0, the decimal point, and 0, because we always need to fill in to the ones column. Then, finally, you write it in ordinary form. So 0.023 is the same as 2.3 times 10 to the minus 2. Anyway, thank you for watching my video on standard form. This is the last video in the place value and powers of 10 series. If this helped to make maths make sense, please like and subscribe and click the notification button to be the first to see more videos.